Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn how to use StartsWith method in Python programming. So StartsWith method checks if a string starts with a specific character or word. So let's check it. I have my message string and then message then start with. I want to check it start with H here. It's important, it's case sensitive. So I run it, you see it's true. But if I change it to the lowercase character, you will see false. And lowercase and uppercase is not same character. So it's case sensitive. Be careful about that. And we can check also a substring, a word for example. For I continue with E. You see it starts with H and E. I run it, you see true. But I continue with L, you see it's true. But instead of L here, it's my fourth element. If I write it V, for example, different character, I run it, it's false. So we check here full substring, full word, for example. And this method is very useful for checking the beginning of strings. Super. See you in the next lesson.